G'day guys and welcome back. So I'm going to show you a little video on how to install the bump stops on your King's drawer. Now going by these instructions, they don't pretty much show anything, so they're pretty much useless. If you're looking to install your bump stops on your King's Titan drawers, they can be a bit of a pain. You can see here there's two holes there that are pre-drilled. You're looking for these two holes on the outside. As you can see, they're not drilled on that side. So just drill those two out. Now you want to install your two nylock nuts on the back side. So one will be facing that way, so that white part will be facing to the back of the drawer on both. Now with that facing to the back of the drawer, you've got your two nylock nuts on the back side, and then you've got to pull your drawer about halfway out, just so you can fit through this gap here. Slide that down until on that back roller there. There's a back roller just there. You've got to line those holes up with your two holes that you've just drilled here. Obviously King's hasn't marked those out and drilled them. Get your two nylock nuts. Luckily these are the same size as the top you've just taken off, Allen key size, so grab your Allen key, line those two holes up. They can be a bit of a pain. Line those up, get your Allen key, like we've done on this side. You can see the bump stop down there. Tighten those up until it's nice and tight, and then as we did, removing the top, make sure everything runs straight out, and it's going to bump on that bump there, so it gets stuck on that little wheel on both sides. So that's pretty much it for today guys. Again, repeat the process. I didn't actually film taking the top off. Allen key, Allen key, Allen key, pop that top off, and then it will give you access to the back of the drawer here. They're not very loose, they're all the same size Allen key, which is not provided in the King's pack. But yeah, pop that top off, give you full access to the back of the drawer here. Pre-drill your holes out because they probably haven't been done yet. King's quality as always, and just those bump stops in there, and we're good to go. I hope this video has helped you guys installing your bump stops on your King drawers. Those instructions are pretty useless, so I hope this has helped you guys when doing your bump stops. This might be universal for other drawer systems as well. Let me know in the comments below. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.